Soon the SSC results are going to be declared. Most of y'all might have a question that may be haunting you at this time. What after class 10th? Which stream should you opt for after your class 10th result? Whether you should take up commerce with maths or you should take science that your parents want you to take. Well, I am here to answer all your questions. Myself Fareen Sheikh and welcome to IQ Specs. Do watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. The stream that you select will be a foundation towards your career, and for this, proper planning is necessary. There are a lot of options and opportunities available. All options are equally good and compete with each other. You should choose your stream based on your academics, that is, in which subject you are good at, your personal interest, whether you have creative interest or social or scientific interest, your personality and your desire. And for this, it's important for you to work on few things. First thing is to know yourself. You must be aware of your interest, your skills and your capabilities. Second is to explore yourself. Research on different topics related to your interest. Narrow your choices and find a few that fit your interest. Third is to make correct choice and develop a plan. This plan will lead you towards your career. Now, for example, if you choose science as your stream, you should have a clear idea of what you want to achieve by taking science and plan according to that. Now, the big question is which stream to select. So let me give you a clear idea of what options are available to you after your SSC results. And by selecting those options, what are the career opportunities available to you? Four options are available after 10th. That is, you can either go for arts, commerce, science, or you can go for any diploma course. If you are planning to select arts as your stream, then the arts stream deals with various subjects like history, geography, political science, psychology, sociology, various languages, anthropology, human resource, and journalism. So if you have any interest in any of these subjects, you can select arts stream. Now, there is a misconception in many people that arts stream do not have much opportunities, and the students who get less percentage, only those students take up arts. Well, this is completely baseless, as arts stream also has equal challenges and offer good opportunities to the student, be it for further studies or career. In fact, in professional exams like UPSC, the art subjects help to build the foundation that helps to crack the exam. The career options after taking arts as your stream are endless, but you should have a clear picture in your head of what you want to become. Now, arts deals with the subject like literature, language, geography, political science, history, etc. So, the careers are related to these subjects only. So, whatever field you choose should be in relation to these subjects. So, if you do arts, you can pursue career in teaching, in nursing, you can become a social worker, you can go into law, politics, and become a businessman, you can go into television and as a radio artist, you can also do content writing, acting, designing, singing, and many more things are there. Let's look at the best career options which are available in arts background. These options are highly rated and people with arts background do earn well. Now, if you are a creative person and you are planning to earn lot of money, there are few career options in art stream. You can choose any of the one. You can go into fashion designing. You can take up acting, modeling or dancing. You can take animation and graphic designing course. You can go into mass communication or journalism. You can take up interior designing, political science and hotel management. Apart from these jobs, there are other professions which are also highly paid. You can become an IAS officer, can become a lawyer, or you can become a professor in any of your subject that you are interested in. Next is the commerce stream. Now, if you are good with math, commerce is the right option for you. Commerce deals with the study of trade and business activities such as the exchange of goods and services from producer to the consumer. Now in commerce stream, you have to study the subjects like accountancy, economics, business studies, mathematics, etc. You can choose any one of the subject and you can make your career in that particular subject. The career options with commerce stream are endless, but there are few options which are considered to be at the top. One of the options is CA or Chartered Accountant. Now, Chartered Accountant take care of the matters related to accounting and taxation of business. They audit financial statements and also prepare and review the financial reports. To become a Chartered Accountant, you need to complete 3 levels of course. First is the Common Proficiency Test, second is the Intermediate Examination, and third is the Final Examination. Well, Chartered Accountants make a lot of money, but it's not easy to become a CA. Another best career option with commerce stream is ICWA, that is the Institute of Cost and Work Accountants. Now this is also called as CMA, that is Cost Management Accountancy. If you are interested to become a cost management accountant, ICWA course will be the best course for you. ICWA course is done in 3 stages. First is the CMA Foundation, that is Cost Management Accountancy Foundation. Second is the intermediate course and the third is CMA Final. Now by doing ICWA or CMA, you can be a cost accountant and you can collect and analyze the financial information of the company in which you are working. Another best course in commerce stream is Company Secretary or CS. Now CS course is divided into 3 levels. First is the foundation course which is of 8 months. Second is the intermediate course which is of 9 months. And third is the final course which is of 15 months. As a company secretary, you will get a senior position in private and public sector organization. Your role will be to keep records, advise tax returns and evaluate the legal aspect of the organization. Other than these 3 options, there are other career options available in commerce as well. One can also pursue a bachelor course in commerce, that is BCom. You can also take a Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA, or BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, BMM, that is Bachelor of Mass Media, BBM, that is Bachelor of Business Management, BAF, that is Bachelor of Banking and Finance. One can also become a Chartered Financial Analyst and a Certified Financial Planner. You can also take up career in banking, investments and insurance, or you can also pursue a master degree. Next is the science stream. Now for most of y'all, science is only for doctors and engineers, but there are n number of career options that one can pursue by taking science. In fact, if you choose science, the doors are open for all the career options which are for commerce and arts. So in a way, selecting science is not a ghate ka sauda, but it all depends on your interest. Science stream deals with 4 subjects, that is mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. So if you choose science as your field, you need to select these subjects. If you are planning to pursue your career in medicine, that is in medical science, then you need to select physics, chemistry and biology. If you want to do medical or paramedical courses, MBBS or BDS, then you need to give an entrance exam, that is NEET, which is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. And after that, you are eligible for the medicine degree. Apart from NEET, there are other entrance exams which are available. These exams are conducted by different universities. Another career option in science stream is engineering. For engineering, you need to select 3 subjects, that is physics, chemistry and math. And for engineering, you need to give an entrance exam after your 12th, that is called as JEE Mains, which is Joint Entrance Examination and is conducted at national level. Here are the few names of other entrance examinations which are conducted for engineering by other universities. One can also pursue a career in pure science. Pure science includes subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, biochemistry, bioinformatics, biotechnology, oceanography, etc. You can opt for a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in these subjects. Next is pharmacy. Now pharmacy is not just about drugstores. One can study pharmacy and choose research and development of medicine as a career option. One can do a diploma in pharmacy or a bachelor's and a master's degree in pharmacy. There are pharmacy entrance tests conducted by the respective states. Next option in science stream is architecture. One can also become a Bachelor of Architecture or a Master's of Architecture. It deals with theoretical and practical knowledge of students to learn the art of planning, designing and constructing physical structures of all kinds. One can also opt for a diploma course directly after 10th standard. The diploma course will depend upon your interest. That is, in which stream you have interest. Diploma courses are available for all streams. You can opt for a diploma in any engineering or a diploma in fine or commercial arts or a diploma in hotel management. According to your interest, you can select a particular diploma course. I hope that now you have an idea of which stream you should opt for. If you have any questions related to any stream, comment down below. Also, choose a stream in which you are interested and not in which your friends and your parents are interested.